Is now a good time to buy a home? After my last video on the real estate market, I have got many people asking me a question, is this a good time to buy a home or not? We all have our set of concerns about the stability of the real estate market, and we do not want to go wrong with a decision, especially when it's something like buying a house, which involves a lot of money. My name is Anand Choksi and I am the Managing Director of the Real Estate Connect in Ahmedabad city, where clients' interest is the number one priority. Home ownership has socio-economic benefits like no other asset. For generations, buying a house is a guaranteed way of wealth creation. As per Forbes magazine, homeowners are 45 times wealthier than the renters at the time of retirement. When you buy a home, it encourages progressive behavior and you tend to work harder and save more money. Needless to say, over a period of decades, the value of the house appreciates many folds. Also, homeowners do not change residences that frequently, which results in more community stability for them and their family. It also gives pride, security, and displays financial stability of the individual and his family. These are some of the reasons why homeownership is a big part of satisfactory life we live. But the real question is whether this is a good time to buy a home or one should wait for some more time. And the answer to the question is, it is the best time to buy a home when you can afford it. With urbanization happening at a rapid pace in India, which goes hand in hand with population growth, the housing demand will always remain strong, and in long term, the prices of the quality housing will always go up. Like in stock market, even in the real estate world, it is almost impossible to time the market and get the best price of the decade. After demonetization, all the news agencies were talking about prices going down by approximately 30 to 40%, which never happened. And in fact, some pockets around Ahmedabad appreciated by 200 to 300% in span of just 2 to 3 years. In spite of the current COVID crisis, these are the quick 5 reasons why one should consider buying a home right now. If you are able to buy, of course. Reason number 1, you need it now more than ever before. With COVID, we all have understood the value of quality housing. We couldn't flaunt the jewelry we own, couldn't wear the nice clothes sitting in our wardrobe, couldn't enjoy the luxury car that was parked in our garage. But one thing for sure, we all really valued and enjoyed the most is our home. You need a comfortable home right now and in future. Reason number 2, historically low interest rates. With recent massive reductions, interest rates are at the lowest level since last 15 years. With the same amount of installment pre-COVID days, you can now buy a lot bigger house. This surely improves affordability of the home buyers, which is one of the biggest reasons why the interest rates were reduced to begin with. Reason number 3, flexibility from sellers and developers. There is no doubt that for some time, real estate buyers will be less in the market. It is a great opportunity to get some benefits from the sellers and developers in terms of payment plans. There are some very good developers offering excellent payment plans that were never heard of before. Reason number 4, beat the pent-up demand. One day, coronavirus will also be gone like other crises mankind has seen. There is a pent-up demand for quality housing. As soon as the situation stabilizes, homeowners will be out in the market. Do you want to wait until then and go out as a buyer when there is a high demand, or you want to be a smart buyer and strike a deal when the market is slow? Think about it. Reason number 5, best choice and selection. Right now, when the demand is less in the market, the developers will be able to provide you better selection of the units, be it preferential floor or the premium view. Once the demand comes back in the market, which sure one day will, the developers will not be able to offer you the same selection. All this is true for the first-time home buyers. But what if you already own a home and you want to upgrade? It may not be the good time to put your current house on sale, but if you have surplus to buy or book a new home and sell the current home at later date, all the points mentioned above stands true for you as well. While buying a home, there are many factors to consider and not just the price. If you have enough savings to put the down payment and income stability to pay the installments, probably this is the best time you will find to make that big move of buying a home. If you liked this video, please click on that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.